Spanish Town, Jamaica. A suspected leader of the Klansman gang called Termite has been taken out by CETA. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaica. If it's your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button. Build up the Rastaman panel. Terrible Termite, as he's known, slain gangster, had a bloody and a brutal past, the police said. Sheldon Walters, the gang leader known as Termite, who was shot dead on Friday night by police, sparked tensions in Spanish Town. St. Catherine had what cops describe as a notable history with organized crime, specifically with the Clans gang. Police sources told Jamaican observers that the Walters, who had led the Top Banks gang after the split with the Clans gang, had orchestrated at least 10 murders and several shooting incidents in St. Catherine between June 2019 and March of this year. The incident including the murder of Frederick Thompson, otherwise called Cillian or Maca, at Kingston on June 12th of 2019, shooting of a man called Burke on Burke Road, September 15, 2020, murder of Claude Smith, shooting of a man at 1 Salt Pond Road, September 2020, and murder double shooting on Burke Road, October 12, 2020, and shooting of 2 people at Fraser Boulevard, Meadowrest Memorial Garden, January 17, 2021, double murder shooting in Nesberry Grove, Kitson Town, February 23, 2021, murder of Andrew Burke at Banana Hole in Kiston Town of February 25, 2021. The murder of Devron Brown, also known as Adrian Thomas, alias Tutu Pang, in 2023, and the shooting death of 2 men March Penn Road on Wednesday, March 13, 2024, according to the police. Member of Walters' Top Bank gang shot the men and then deposited their bodies at the Dunholden Main Road, where they were found by police. Information gathered by the police suggested that the murders were sanctioned by Walters and that the men were killed because they were from Jones Avenue, an area controlled by Andrew Blackman Bryant faction of the Clans gang. The police said that they had expected an escalation of tension in Spanish Town after Walters was killed in a confrontation with cops on Saturday, after Walters' followers blocked some roads at the Old Capitol in Spanish Town. Police reported that another Clans gang, Charles McDonald's alias Coop Troops, was cut down during a violent confrontation with cops in Greendale, St. Catherine. His firearm, they said, was recovered. They also reported that McDonald, who was number 3 on the St. Catherine North Police Division most wanted list, was recently freed of a murder charge at St. Catherine Parish Court. The police had also said that Walter's death might instigate violence over extortion racketing between warring factions of these Clans gang. They said that also the roadblocks had been cleared, and Saturday they were alerted to the potential of arson and attack against law enforcement. In preparation, the constable decided to maintain a high presence in Spanish Town for at least 72 hours and mounted targeted operation against key instigators. The police said that Walters, who was born on July 14, 1979, was initially aligned with the Tesha Miller, known part of the gang known as the Hombre, before shifting alliance to the Bryant during the gang split. Both Miller and Bryant are incarcerated. Miller has been indicted under the Criminal Justice Suppression of Crime Organization Amendment Act, commonly known as the Anti-Gang Law, for leadership of the Klans Gang. Bryant, who led the One Don faction of the Klans Gang, was last October sentenced to 39 years and a half year for leadership of a crime organization and facilitating commission of murder and arson after a long-running Klans Gang trial. On Saturday, the police said that Walters was implicated in gang-related activities under the Crime Justice Suppression Act 2017, but was acquitted March 2021. After his acquittal, Walters distanced himself from Bryant and formed his own faction, aligned with the member of the One Order Gang. Police said that he took on the leadership role as managed daily operation, including extortion and armed trafficking. His influence spanned multiple areas, including railway premises in Carlette Road, March Penn, and Kiston Town. On April 19, 2024, Walters was reportedly involved in a distribution of a firearm obtained from Ellerslie Penn. Further indications his ongoing participation in criminal activity, the police source said. They also reported that he had aligned himself with a number of other gang leaders in St. Catherine and had formed an alliance with the Genocide Gang in Parade Garden in Kingston Central. Before Walters' demise, the police said that they had received several intelligence reports that he was planning to carry out attacks in Spanish Town against rival, mainly member of the Tesha Miller-led faction of the Klans Gang. However, police activities prevented the occurrence of these threats. They also reported that he had tried to migrate to the United States with the intention to lead in his gang from that country, and he had thought that would be a safe place for him. He fled Jamaica in November 2023 to Panama, intended to make his way to the United States via that country. However, he was deported by Panama on November 29, 2023. The police said Walters reportedly married a United States citizen recently. People. Termite, the killer with a overbite, actually got wiped out. The CTOC, the Crime and Terrorist Organization Criminal Branch, that's there in Jamaica, has made Jamaica safe again. At least safer, because I'm asking you to help me make Jamaica safe again. Now you hear Sheldon Walters, the gang leader known as Termite, a killer with an overbite. He was shot dead Friday night by the police, and it had sparked tensions in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. It is being said by the Jamaican authorities this man is responsible for over 10 homicides. How them make one man do so much killing in one little island? He seems to be in some kind of potential fighting with the Tesha Miller faction of the Klans Gang. And the police is reporting, CTOC has reported that, they receive intelligence that the Termite Gang has aligned themselves with the Genocide Gang in Parade Garden in Kingston Central. So that's why it's Kingston Central, that's why Central Village. So people, what's going on? Their report says that this intelligence-led operation was staked out for a minute, and Termite the killer with a overbite got wiped. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling you, we are on a mission here at Deep Root Studio to help make Jamaica safe again. So we're asking you, report these criminals and get out of the mindset of informer, because you're not going to feel it till the drama get to you and you start feel it when it get warmer. I'm Rastafari Soldier here reporting Deep Root Studio. Termite, the gangster with an overbite, has been taken out by CTAC, and a heightened presence of police are now in Spanish Town. Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what Jamaican authorities should have been doing for a long time. Get together a unit and do insurgents and do investigation and shock and awe these criminals. Come with force where everybody feels shook and stay in the area so you can nab these crooks. Leave your comment, ladies and gentlemen. What can we do? What can we do to get the mindset, the perceptions of Jamaicans to shift, to know that it's up to them to make their community safe? Here you have a gangster with an overbite called Termite. Is being said by authorities this man has been responsible for over 10 homicides in Little Jamaica. And how could he have survived for so long? Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment. What can we do to make Jamaica safe again? Termite has gone to see his maker. See you later. Good riddance. But the police are now on heightened alert in Spanish Town because Termite is going underground. Subscribe, like, and share. Leave your comment on this one. What can we do to make Jamaica safe again? More life, more joy, at least for the future of the children. More nappiness.
Deep TV when it's gun time for the action part.
Yeah. Cool, Jenna.
Oh, you know about it, Pops? Fire,